welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm grabbing my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer and I'm just applying this all over my eye as an eyeshadow primer. The palette that I went in with is the Whatever palette by ColourPop, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I absolutely love this palette. I find myself using it all the time. The first shade that I went in with is Copycat, which is a really light neutral brown shade, and I just put that shade in my crease as my transition shade, just going from inner corner to outer corner with a big fluffy blending brush. Next, I went in with the shade Maybe Later, and I actually applied a little bit of Fix Plus to my brush. This is like a new technique that I've been doing if I want my crease to be super defined, and it kind of, when you wet the eyeshadow, it kind of just makes it a little bit more pigmented, and it just, even though this eyeshadow is already very pigmented, it's just going to give it even more vibrancy. And then I went back into that first transition shade Copycat, and I just put that in my crease with a huge fluffy blending brush, and I just started to buff out that line. And then I went back into the shade Copycat and I took a flat brush and started applying that to the inner and outer corner to start to create that halo effect. And then going in with Maybe Later, I just added even more depth to the very inner and outer corners. And I feel like the most important thing to do when creating a halo eye is to add that sharpness in the center. So I went in with the Cotton Candy concealer once again, and I just put that on the very center portion of my eyelid, and I always set that in place with translucent powder so it doesn't crease. And then going in with the ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter in the shade Bring the Heat, I'm just going to be applying this to the very center portion of my lid. For lashes, I went in with our Sofie Bella lashes. I'll always leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check out our lash line. But my favorite style at the moment is Bahama. I'll go ahead and leave a link for you guys to check it out. And now moving on to the lower lash line, I went in with that first transition shade and I just started to apply that from inner corner to outer corner. Even though we are going to be creating that halo effect, I still apply that first transition shade all along my lower lash line just to make blending a little bit easier. And then I went in with Maybe Later and I applied this to the very inner and outer corner, similarly to how we applied it on our lid. And then going in with that same Bring the Heat glitter, I'm just applying that to the very center portion of my lower lash line. And the very last thing that I did was I applied some mascara to my lower lashes. And I absolutely love the way that this look turned out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys attempt to recreate this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for all of the love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!